Ever pondered why an e-commerce website might be the game changer your business needs? In today's digital age, an online presence is more than just a luxury. It's a necessity. And when it comes to creating an online store, WordPress, with its powerful e-commerce plugin WooCommerce, makes it easier than ever. But how, you ask? Well, buckle up as we dive into the step-by-step process of setting up an e-commerce website with WordPress. First things first, every online store needs a domain name, a unique address where customers can find your website on the internet. Think of it as the sign that hangs above a physical store's entrance. Choose a domain name that's catchy, easy to remember, and reflects your brand identity. Once you've chosen the perfect name, register it with a domain registrar. Next, secure a web hosting account. This is like renting a physical store space, but in the digital world. There are plenty of web hosting providers out there offering a variety of plans. Look for one that offers WordPress-specific hosting for optimal performance. Once the domain and hosting are set up, install WordPress. It's a simple process with most hosting providers offering one-click WordPress installation. Now, you're ready to dive into the exciting world of website creation. The next step is to install and activate the WooCommerce plugin. This is the power tool that transforms a regular WordPress site into a fully functional e-commerce store. Navigate to Plugins, click on Add New, search for WooCommerce, and then click Install Now. After installation, activate the plugin and follow the on-screen setup wizard. Now you've got the basics covered. It's time to add products to your online store. Navigate to Products and click on Add New. Here you can add product names, descriptions, images, and prices. You can also organize products into categories, making it easier for customers to navigate your store. Setting up payment methods is the next crucial step. WooCommerce supports a wide range of payment gateways, including PayPal, Stripe, and many others. Go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and finally Payments. Here you can choose your preferred payment methods and set them up. Lastly, don't forget to set up shipping methods. Depending on your business, you might offer local delivery, international shipping, or both. Navigate to WooCommerce, then Settings, and finally Shipping to configure your shipping options. To sum up, creating an e-commerce website with WordPress involves registering a domain name, securing web hosting, installing WordPress, activating the WooCommerce plugin, adding products, setting up payment methods, and configuring shipping options. While it may seem like a daunting task, each step plays a crucial role in establishing a successful online store. The benefits of using WordPress for e-commerce are numerous. It's a flexible and customizable platform that can accommodate a wide range of business needs. Plus, with WooCommerce, you get a powerful e-commerce tool that's capable of handling everything from product management to payment processing and shipping. And the best part, it's all under your control. You're not at the mercy of third-party platforms. It's your store, your rules. So if you're looking to take your business to the next level, consider setting up an e-commerce website with WordPress. It might just be the best business decision you ever make.